So guys, this is pretty much the final product. We got them all glued on. I didn't show it on camera just because it was a little bit difficult to get them all lined up. And I had to do a little bit of thinking to actually get them to stay on there properly. Because when I originally tried to glue them on, these have a pretty good curve to them. So it didn't have many attachment points. So what I ended up doing, I took some of that, it's either 6 or 5mm EVA foam, cut a bunch of little rectangles out of it, and just used super glue to glue it into the center of this. And from there, that allowed me to glue this to that. And then I actually had to go from the bottom up. The reason for that is because they overlap this way. And the reason I don't have them all the way up yet is because I don't want to put the rest of them on until I get the neck seal on. Not really sure which neck seal I'm going with yet, but either way, I'll have them going up the neck seal and either up to the helmet, or maybe I'll go onto the helmet. And there is this little filler piece, not really filler piece, but this little topper piece. This is going to be going either on the bottom of the helmet or on the top of the neck seal. I think it goes the same direction as these, so it would go this way. So for example, if I put another one of these right here, then there would be 2 more of these right here, and then this would go at the top. I guess I could even end it right there. I'm not really sure yet. Either way, I'll figure that out in another video. But yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like when it's on. So one of the problems I'm having with the spine is there's one area on the back of the motocross plates where the 2 plates are separate and they flex. And when they do flex, so say this is how these pieces are usually lined up, when it flexes, it pulls apart, and then they get kind of bound up like that, and it won't go back down. So I have 2 possible solutions to that. One of them being to take some like elastic band and wrap it around each one of these. The only problem with that is, especially ones like this, they didn't 3D print right, so they broke off, or I broke them off. And just to break up the look a little bit, I left them like that instead of reprinting it. So the other way I could fix it is by taking a little elastic band and gluing it to the bottom of this, putting a little bit of tension on it, and then gluing the bottom to the top of this. And that would hopefully just like give enough tension to where they pull apart just enough to flex, but they don't go all the way like this, and if they do, they just pop right back in place. Not sure if that's going to work, so if you guys have any better ideas, I'd love to hear them in the comments. So anyways, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.